Today, we're diving into sound effects to make your Scratch projects even cooler. Ever wanted to add a record scratch sound effect to your games or animations? Imagine this. Your character is about to say something epic, but then record scratch. The scene changes or something unexpected happens. Today, I'll show you how to add that iconic sound effect to your Scratch projects in just a few easy steps. First, let's head over to the Sounds tab. This is where we'll be managing all our sound effects for the project. You'll see options to add, edit, and record sounds. Next, we're going to add our sound effect. So go to the sound category. From the drop-down list, select Record Scratch. Once you have it, let's add some extra flair by recording a voice saying, "Hello, hello." Just click the record button, say your line, and click stop when you're done. After you've recorded, click to add it to your project. Now we have both the record scratch sound effect and our voice ready to go. Now, let's make sure this sound effect plays at just the right moment. Go to the Events category and grab the When Green Flag Clicked block. This block will trigger the sound effect as soon as the project starts. Now, jump back to the Sound category and grab the Play Sound Record Scratch block. Connect it to the When Green Flag Clicked block. You can even add other sounds or scripts after it to make something happen right after the scratch effect plays. And that's it. You've just added a dramatic, attention-grabbing record scratch sound effect to your Scratch project. Give it a try in your own games and animations. I'd love to see what creative ideas you come up with. Let me know in the comments how you use this sound effect in your projects. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more Scratch tips, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, Super Coders!